Good morning, children, to a value education session of K-TEC High School and Junior College. Children, this session specially we have brought to you all so that you can inculcate good habits. And if you follow certain good habits, you will be appreciated plus respected in society. And it is must, children, to follow certain good habits. So, for you all, I have got a beautiful story that always share. That good habit is you must share your things. Be kind enough, gentle, not only with your brothers and sisters, but with friends and others too. You should not be stingy. Your nature should be of giving up, sharing, giving up, not clinging type. Now let's start with our moral story. Always share. John was a selfish boy. He never shared his toys with anyone. This is a story about a boy who was very selfish. He never shared his toys with anyone. His parents were worried how to teach him about the kindness and sharing. Now his parents were little worried. When will my son learn to share things? When will my son learn to be kind? They were very much worried because John had never learned to share things. So in school, children, you are asked to share your tiffins also, right? With a friend of yours who does not get tiffins. You share your food, right? It's a good habit. Then one day, John was returning from school on his new bicycle. As John was watching, a boy fell into a ditch and hurt himself. The boy cried, "Ah, can't move my arm." Now, one day, John was returning from school. He was going home on his new bicycle. As John was watching, a boy fell into a ditch. Ditch means a pothole or a khadda. उसमें वो गिर गया and hurt himself. The boy cried. The boy was in pain because he got hurt in his arm and he said, "Ah, can't move my arm." John would never help anyone, but that day he felt sad for the boy. So he rushed to him and helped him stand up. Now, as usual, John's nature was not sharing or helping others. But that day he felt very sorry. He rushed to that boy and helped him to stand up. He said to the boy, "Looks like you have fractured your hand. Sit behind me. I'll ride you to the hospital." See, John, little change in John, right? I would not say little, a great change. He offers a ride to a boy and says that he will take him to the hospital because he thought that his hand had fractured. Later that evening, the boy parents visited John and thanked him. "You are very kind boy. God will always bless you." Now that boy parents, when they came to know that John had helped their son, they thanked him and praised him that you are very kind and God will always bless him. They gave their blessings to John. John was very happy. After they had left, John's father said, "Son, see the blessings you received by being kind and sharing." John understood the importance of being kind and decided to share always. Now, John's father made John realize, see, when you do something good, you get blessings. And you were kind today, you got your blessings. John understood the hidden meaning of it. He decided he will be kind to others and share his things. He really realized the importance of sharing and being kind. And from that day, children, he was always kind towards others and respectful. So, don't you all think that we also should be kind to others who are less privileged children? Yes, we have to be kind to others. We have to share our things, not only food, but everything with the people who are less privileged. That's all for the day. I hope you will follow this advice and be good children. Thank you, children, and be a wonderful child so that your parents should be proud of you. Love you all.